Welcome to JVI Secret Gardens. Are you looking for a tree today? Awesome. Have you gotten a tree with us before? Let me give you the rundown. So all of our Fraser firs are fresh cut. We've got them organized by size. You got your really big ones, your middle ones, and your itty bitty babies are in that pergola over there. All of the tags have the price, the height, and the name. Every tree has their own name. So feel free to wander around. Can I get you some hot cocoa while you look? Excellent. Enjoy. Here you go. When you find one, let me know and we can take it off the stake for you. We got one. Okay, Mariah. Do you want a picture with Mariah? Okay, so over at our cabin over there, follow the archways, you'll find some fun hats and stuff. Pick one out, I'll grab Mariah and meet you over there. All right. I'm gonna stand her up here. If you'll hold on to Mariah, I'll get your picture taken. Do you mind if we put this on our Facebook page? Okay, excellent. Hold her steady. All right, Christmas on 3. 1, 2, 3, Christmas! Awesome. You like your picture? Okay, go ahead and put your costume away. I'm gonna bring Mariah over to the cutting station. I'll meet you right in front of the building. All right, so we're gonna give Mariah a fresh cut. That way she'll take up water once you put her in a stand. Do you already have a Christmas stand? Okay, excellent. We actually have them for sale here. Ours are pretty neat. They've got a super deep well, so you can hold a lot of water. You've got these quick release handles here, so it's really easy to get it in, and then you can fine tune it later on. We got spikes down here to kind of hold her up. And yeah, we got these inside for you. Okay. Since we're using one of our stands and they're pretty open on the base, we don't have to cut off any too big of branches. I will take this little one off here. Plop that there. All right. A little loud here for a second. is Mariah's first ornament. Go ahead and put the date or something on here and give it a smell. It smells incredible. Okay, let's get you all sorted inside. Okay, all set. Would you like some Keeps It Green? It's a Christmas tree preservative. You put it in the water and the needles stay on for a little bit longer. All right, let's get you all set. And we've got your tree stand and our Keeps It Green. Okay, have you shopped with us before? Would you like me to add you into our system? We can keep track of your purchases. All right. All right. Why don't you show me to your car? We can even tie this on top for you.